What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video. I'm going to be showing how you can be able to add cinematic bars intro to your videos using your mobile Android device. What you need to do is go to Play Store, install the VN app. It is available for download. When you open it, this is how it will appear. You go to add new project, then you can tap on the video that you are going to be adding cinematic bars opening to, like that. You select it and we go to the editing space. So now here is our editing space. So once you have selected your video, all you need to do is you need to add a photo, a layer photo just on top of here. Just tap there to add a photo, a black photo, actually a black picture that will act as our black bars opening. Okay, just select it from your storage and we see what will happen. Okay, just like that. Here it is. Now it has been brought to our editing space. So all we need to do is we are going to add motion to it. Yeah, just tap that key and go to out animation. Yes, you select the reveal and you select the direction where it is going to be revealed. Okay, yeah, just select the motion and then you select out animation. Yeah, you can also increase the duration down here. Just swipe. So I've set this one to 63 seconds. So then once you're done, you can duplicate it. So we need two bars to be opening, you see. So when you open, you duplicate it. So now we have two layers. Let me separate them for easy identification. We do the same for this other layer that we have just made, but in the opposite direction. You see that, guys? You go to out animation, then you reveal in the opposite direction. You see that? Yeah, this one has to reveal going upwards. So just like that, you can see how now they are moving. See, they are moving in opposite direction. That's what we want. So now after you have achieved that, what is left is you have to resize these photos, the pictures, and they have to meet in the middle of the video so that they reach the ends at the same time. So they have to be at almost in the middle, like that. Then you also resize the upper one, okay, just like that, and then they converge in the middle. Just try to get the center of the video horizontal. Then you can see that it is opening that. See that? Boom, we have just achieved what we want. Once you're done with your project, okay, see that it is working out perfectly. Now once you're done with your project, all you need to do is you tap the top right corner at export. Yeah, tap on that word export, and then here you can select the resolution of your video. Once you're done, you press the tick down below here and your video will begin exporting. Guys, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.